Let's start by creating a new file size 1920 by 1080 pixels. You can download the picture I used here from the description below. Go to Edit, Transform, and choose Flip Horizontal. To zoom in, hold the Ctrl and space bar and click on the screen. Choose the pen tool. Right click and choose Make Selection. Add a layer mask. Now choose the Type tool. I'm choosing this font. Reduce the opacity of the text layer a bit, so we can position the face accordingly. Press Ctrl T, and let's scale the image, while holding the Shift button. Select both layers, while holding the Shift button, and scale them. After you finish, change the opacity of the text layer to 100. Now right click on the text layer and choose Select Pixels. Go to the image layer and click on the mask. Choose the brush tool. Go to Select and choose Inverse, so we can mask what is outside the letter. Make sure the foreground color is black. Start painting. Go to Select and choose Deselect. Choose the Selection tool. Change the foreground color to white and press Delete. Go to Select and choose Deselect. We still have part of the image to hide. Click on the mask. Choose the brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is black. Start painting. Now let's add some contrast to the image. Go to Adjustment layer and choose Black White. Click here to create a clipping mask. Let's fix the brightness and contrast a bit. That's it. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment your opinion in the comments below.